I reckon I'm gonna get this in this take. That's what I'm gonna do. Not letting the squad down. Hey guys, I'm Craig from Intro Travel. I'm here in the beautiful Hoi An and I'm going to tell you about my ideal 24 hours in Hoi An in a minute. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I'm going to wake up nice and early and grab a traditional Vietnamese coffee. It's super strong, so it's going to set me up for the day. After that, I'm going to head to the old town, jump into a tailor's and get myself a suit fitted. It takes around 24 hours, so you want to get there nice and early. After that, I'm going to head out and do some crab fishing. I'm going to jump into a little wicker basket. The drivers here are crazy. They're going to spin me around in circles before we catch some crabs. They're slippery little suckers, but you can get them eventually. There's wonderful cooking classes all along the river. So we're going to drop into one of them and then do some traditional Vietnamese cooking. The spring rolls are on point. I'm running out of time, so I'm going to be super quick. After that, I'm going to head back to town. They've got a night market here. It's absolutely incredible. Lanterns everywhere, and they do some weird food. Frogs. We're going to try some frogs. Then, we're going to come out onto the river for a little tour around, lay out a lantern, and we're going to make a wish. Probably wish that this day's never going to end. And then, after that, I'm going to have a beer in the bar, and I'm going to go and pick my suit up in the morning. Pumped. Finished it. Nailed it. Great job. Thank you.